Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we will be sharing the positive news that we have got from the IT industry. Apart from that, we will also be sharing few of the internship programs that has been conducted by one of the company that has been started by one of the company. So we'll be sharing the details also. But before that, please do hit like, share, and subscribe our channel because we are conducting free mock interviews. There is a channel in which we are conducting free mock interviews for Java as well, right? We are not asking anyone to pay. This is totally free of cost, and we wanted to reach to the wider network, to the larger network, to the larger group, so that many of the people can get help from this channel, right? So please do hit like button, right? So we'll be moving ahead. Still you haven't hit the like button, so please do hit the like button, right? So the positive updates are regarding the three companies, right? Now if you see this year, it has been a year of slowdown. It has been an year of uncertainties, right? There is a global slowdown going on. There is a hiring freeze that are going on in many companies, but at the same time, the few of the firms such as Infosys, TCS, and Wipro, they have got newer and larger deals, right? And this would actually boost up the IT industry, and we will be sharing the details, right? So many new projects, it seems they are in the pipeline, and lots of good things are happening. So now if you see Infosys, right? So they have got a big deal with Topaz, right? It includes the $1 billion agreements with Liberty Global, and latest ones include the Australia's Spotlight Retail Group, right? So these institutions, these organizations have signed few of the new projects, have signed good deals with Infosys company. Not only that, but there are some financial institutions which are from the banking, like Sweden's bank, then UK's National Employment Savings Trust. All these have also made some deals with the TCS, right? So which are looking forward to have a good deal, to have a good business with TCS, right? So these two are the good positive news that we have got related to the IT industry. If you see the current year, the Wipro and Infosys, they had denied to go for on campus, right? But they were actually looking forward to have some people who are on the board to get them into the project, to get them into the real time project. For that, they would definitely they would definitely need this kind of wins, this kind of deals, right? So that is what is coming now, right? And apart from that, there is a Bank of Commerce in Philippines, right, which is among other financial institutions. They choose Infosys Finacle for their banking transformation. So this is again one of the good deal that is coming up. Then there is a positive news related to HCL Technology as well, right? They have also got few of the deals, few of the good business deals, and these are major deals. This is not something that is, in something that we deal in lakhs or crores. This is $1 billion agreements, right? And so these IT companies, if you will see HCL, TCS, Infosys, they have started getting such kind of deals, and maybe these particular things would have been signed off 1 or 2 months back, but now it is in the news, right? So you can see the projects coming up now very soon, and the hiring will also start, because for projects, definitely they would need more people. TCS would be going for on campus. There is a code beta test program that has been recently started from TCS side, right? And according to this particular news, according to these positive news, the IT sector revenue growth will increase to over 6%, right? From 3 to 5% from the ongoing financial year. So that's a very good statistics. Even if you will see after 2024, 2025 also, we will see such kind of growth coming up, right? So this was reported in Financial Express, and this was also a part of news in the Economic Times. So that's a very good update that we have got. Apart from that, if you will see, generally the companies in this particular year, they have not gone for off campus, right? Because they are hesitate to hire more people than the commitment. They don't know whether new projects will be coming up or not. So what they have done, they have started internship programs. The internship programs or some sort of contractual programs are there. Recently, if you will see Amazon, they started hiring, and they told in their recruitment programs that they are hiring the interns, they are hiring the people on the contractual level. So if the project ends by 1.5 year, then you might be asked to shift to another company, because the project is also, they are hiring based on the projects now. Earlier, what used to happen, there used to be a mass hiring process, right? But recently they have started going for the project based hiring. So Amazon, who was affected by layoffs at the end of 2022, at the during the year 2023 as well, they have told that they will be hiring the contractual based employees now, right? This is with respect to Amazon. So each and every company is hiring with respect to their opportunities, with respect to the available resources, with respect to the talent pool that is available in the market. And there are times when a lot of lakhs of applicants are applying to a single job. So you need to be very prepared once these kind of jobs starts coming, right? And it has already started. So as we had committed, right? And I'll show you the internship programs that have been recently started, right? So Goldman Sachs is the company which has recently started programs and internships, right? So 2024 summer analyst program, internship opportunities are there, full-time opportunities are there, right? So if you will see first, let us see the internship opportunities, right? So students graduating from a bachelor's or master's degree program December 2024, May 2025 can apply, right? You can also select the location, right? Then you need to attend the orientation, and you will be given some training as well to make sure that you are up to the mark, right? So this kind of link is there, right? You can click on apply now. Then the second is the full-time program also, which is available, right? So this is actually also a good opportunity. Again, this is everything for internships, full-time opportunities for freshers itself, right? Right. So again, you will be given some training, right? So a lot of good opportunities are coming with respect to this company, right? Then the third part is also there if you would like to go for campus hiring program 2023-24 summer internship, right? So three programs have been launched, and they are available on their website itself, right? I would be putting this link in the comment section of the video so you can have a look at that also, right? And what is happening is, see, a lot of competition would be there, because there are people who are waiting for jobs as a fresher. There are people who got laid off some time back, experienced, and they are looking for jobs. So a lot of competition would be there. So be prepared for the time. And see, many of the viewers, many of the subscribers feel why we are coming up with this kind of video every week, because every week we want to share with our subscribers what is going on in the market, what is the latest updates about the calls, those are coming or not, or the recession updates. So that's why we are making this video every week, right? And we want that people should be updated, people should know what is happening, what's going on in the market. It is not possible for each and everyone to gather this kind of information, so we are gathering this kind of information and bringing to you, right? In return, what you have to do, you just have to share, and you have to comment positive notes, you have to like the videos, so that we get motivated to support you in this kind of your career itself, right? So thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.